If you've ever had the frustration of dealing with fruit flies buzzing around your kitchen, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share some effective tips on how to get rid of those pesky fruit flies. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify the source. The first step in tackling a fruit fly problem is identifying the source. Check for overripe fruits, vegetables, or other organic materials in your kitchen that might be attracting them. Step 2. Clean and dispose of attractants. Clean up your kitchen. Wipe down surfaces, dispose of overripe or rotting fruits, and empty your garbage regularly. Fruit flies are attracted to fermenting materials, so removing the source is key. Step 3. Create fruit fly traps. Create simple but effective fruit fly traps. One popular method is using a small bowl with apple cider vinegar and a few drops of dish soap. The flies are attracted to the vinegar but get caught in the soapy solution. Step 4. Make a red wine trap. For a more sophisticated trap, try using red wine. Pour a small amount of red wine into a container, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke a few holes in the top. Fruit flies will be lured in but find it challenging to escape. Step 5. Use a banana trap. Bananas are another fruit fly magnet. Create a banana trap by placing a piece of ripe banana in a jar and covering it with plastic wrap. Poke a few holes in the wrap, and you've got a trap that works wonders. Step 6. Set up a vinegar jar trap. Vinegar is a powerful attractant. Fill a jar with apple cider vinegar, cover it with plastic wrap, and secure it with a rubber band. Poke small holes in the wrap, and watch as the fruit flies are drawn to it. Step 7. Use essential oils. Fruit flies dislike certain scents. Use essential oils like peppermint or lemon to create a natural repellent. Mix a few drops with water and spray it around your kitchen. Step 8. Keep your drains clean. Don't forget about your drains. Fruit flies can breed in the organic matter that accumulates there. Clean your drains regularly by flushing them with boiling water or a mixture of vinegar and baking soda. And there you have it, some effective ways to get rid of fruit flies. I hope these tips help you reclaim your kitchen space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more pest control tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other tricks up your sleeve.